Steady there. You're about to head into a nasty fight. Make sure your companions are up to it.
Press U to open companion management and train your crew to the highest level possible.
You last, don't fight me in the dark. The dark is where I shine.
Hold your ground, friends. Cutthroats are bullies and cowards. Beat their leader and the rest will turn tail. So get fit!
At your command. Aye, aye, Captain.
As you wish.
Yes! Aye, aye, Captain. Yes!
I want you to...
I'll report back to Lieutenant Smollett. You take the amulet to Avery. I hope we meet again.
Oh, we should take it back to him. Parker's no beggar. He'll make it worth our while. You can find him at the Gypsy Wagon outside Avery's mansion.
Step up to my wagon of wonders and let the merriment begin.
You didn't even try to swap my amulet for a fake. What are you? Well, a deal. You take this writ down to the docks and seek out Dockmaster Dan. He'll see to it. Farewell to ye, Captain.
He thinks he can trick us. He cannot. Let us confront him.
What? But I'm afraid there's... Oh, and this... Go see Morgan Lafitte in Swashbuckler's Hall. She's trained some of the best fencers in the Spiral. She knows the crew looking for Gun's treasure.
Meet your class trainer. Your trainer...
But before you...
Ready for some training, are ye? The training menu shows the talents and powers this trainer offers.
Ahoy, it is you will be her captain.
Good. It seems I've found a captain to serve at last.
Yes?
Yes, Captain? Captain?
The treasure hunters are in the cellar, meeting in private. Head down through the trap door yonder.
Get him, boys, and take that will! I've got the will! The treasure's mine, you lubbers! Finish him off, lads! I'll meet you at the hideout!
Ratbeard stole the will! He's going to get away!
Watch this.
On it?
On it!
Easy pace. Yes, Captain. Here goes.
Watch this.
Forebuilt.
I owe you my life, young pirate, and I'll gladly join your crew to repay the debt. Now let's go upstairs and get that thieving rat.
Captain?
Yes?
Yes, Captain?
Yes?
Yes,
Yes, Captain.
Yes?
You chasing Ratbeard? He come barreling through here like a greyhound with his tail on fire. Ran out the front door. Go get...
You looking for Ratbeard? He went that way, towards the docks.
He's got an egg, pirate. Soon it'll hatch into a brand new pet.
Press I to open your pet roster. The timer on the egg's icon displays how long it will take the egg to hatch.
Looking for rat. There's no time to waste. Talk to...
There's your ship. She...
Found Ratbeard yet? He's at the Blood Shoals, I tell you. Talk to Dockmaster Dan.
So, you've got your first ship, eh? Congratulations, pirate. You're a captain now. We pirates keep our ships in little magic bottles. Easier to